Are you tired of spending countless hours extracting data manually? Many businesses face the struggle of gathering information from multiple websites efficiently. But now there's a smarter solution. Introducing Browse AI, the no-code tool that transforms data extraction into a breeze. With Browse AI, you can train robots in just minutes to grab essential information from any website without needing technical expertise. Imagine extracting data from up to 500,000 pages with one simple click. That's not just convenience, it's invaluable time saved. Our advanced AI technology ensures your data extraction runs smoothly, automatically adapting to website changes. Browse AI empowers over 500,000 users across industries, enabling them to extract vital data sets effortlessly. From real estate market intelligence to automated lead generation, you can capture everything that matters to your business. So why choose us? Browse AI stands out with its intuitive interface, allowing anyone, regardless of technical skills, to set up data extraction in minutes. Our enterprise-grade reliability means your scraping remains consistent, even from complex sites requiring logins or CAPTCHAs. Don't let tedious data extraction hold you back. Discover Browse AI today. Start your journey with our free plan, no credit card needed. Join thousands of successful businesses using Browse AI. Empower your data extraction process now. Act today and streamline your operations with Browse AI.